I am recording today's video in response to one of my viewers' comments where they indicated that they had challenges duplicating the region of interest and moving the duplicated ROI to a certain region in their image. Therefore, I'm going to quickly provide you a quick guide with the different ROI in ImageJ and how to create your region of interest, save that region to be able to then reuse it for other images that you need to analyze. In the ImageJ window, be it ImageJ or Fiji, they have similar interface, and the first three icons, the rectangular tool, the arrow, the circular one, the third one is the polygon selection tool. What this one means is that you can draw around a certain part of your image that you are interested in working with. All you just have to do is to click around the part of the image that you want to highlight, and then the last node needs to connect with the first node that you started with, and that will lock that in place. And this, you can easily adjust the node and move it around. Let's assume I've drawn my region of interest. All I have to do is press letter T on my keyboard, and that had the coordinates of this region of interest to a tab known as the ROI manager. So if I click outside of this image, you can see that my ROI have disappeared, but I can pick it again by just clicking on the ROI coordinates in the ROI manager. What if we are interested in duplicating this region of interest? All we have to do is to move the region of interest to the other part of the image that we want to analyze. Just move the region of interest like that, and then you come to the ROI and click on Add. That's the first tab. If you click on Update, what it's going to do, I will show you with a different shape ROI. So let's assume that I draw a circular ROI as this part of the image. If I add it to my region of interest, here to my ROI manager tab, now I have this region of interest here. But if I move it to a different part of the image and I click on Update, it will automatically lose the information for this part of the image and save the new coordinates that I've updated on. So let's click out of this ROI, and then if we click here, can you see it's no longer showing on the first position where I drew it. So remember that when you finish moving your region of interest from one side of the image, what you need to click on is the Add button or press T. Then if you want to show all the different ROI that you've drawn, all you just have to do is to click on Show All, and then it can show you the different region of interest that you have in your image. How can you save this region of interest? If you're interested in reusing this shape, your region of interest, because the size is, you want to keep the size consistent across several images that you want to analyze, all you have to do is to click on Show Label, so that it shows you according to the way you've arranged them. So it will show you 1, 2, 3, or whichever order that you've arranged the region of interest. And then you click on this small tab, and there you have the option to save the region of interest. In order to be able to save the 3 of them at the same time, you need to ensure that you click that the software should show the region of the ROI manager should show all. That way, when you click save, it will save the 3. If you don't click on show all, it might save the last region of interest that you were working with, and then you will lose the order. So now that we have all this, now I can untick this, close this ROI manager, and as you can see, I've also lost my region of interest. But because we've saved it, we can easily reuse the region of interest. All we have to do is to go to Analyze, Tools, and open the region of interest manager. You can see it's currently empty. All we have to do again is to click More and click Open. That way we can select the file that we saved earlier and then just open it. You can see our 3 coordinates are there. If you click on Show All, it's showing them exactly at the different position that we've saved them at. And if you click on Show the labels are still there. So this is how you create a reusable region of interest, which helps you to keep the size that you're analyzing within an image consistent across several replicates. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. If you have questions or you have a certain video you would like me to record, please let me know in the comment section. I'm currently not actively carrying out science or science work, therefore I've not been creating many tutorials like before. But if you ask for what you would like to do, I'm always happy to investigate and then make the video, because this channel is dedicated in ensuring that students have the right resources that they need for their analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.